I get about 50 DMs a day asking the exact same questions. Bro, does a $10 work? Is it $50 enough? Should I use a standard or sane account? Okay, honestly, I'm tired of replying one by one, so this video is the final answer. I've created a specific table for you guys, so please screenshot the table I'm about to show you. If you break the rules in the table, don't come crying to me when your account hits margin call. Fact checks. The Capnova robot is super powerful, but it's still a robot. It doesn't have a brain, it follows setting. If you have a tiny capital but use giant setting, you will crash. Many people think this robot is a money printing machine. Put it $10, wake up with $1,000. That's a get rich quick scheme, not trading. Today we talk about the reality of money management. Alright, for the game with $10 to $50 capital, listen closely. You are forbidden from using a standard account. You must use a sane account. Why? Because $10 on a standard account is a paper thin. A small market swing will wipe you out. Please use a sane account so the robot has room to breathe. Category 2, just to survive. Account $50 to $100. The $50 to $100 gang, you can start a sane account only, but your lot size must be 0.01. Do not get itchy hand and set it to 0.02. This is the nervous zone. You need to monitor your phone often. Category 3, comfort zone, $400 to $300. Now this is trading heavens. Capital of $200 and above have a thick margin. If there is a floating loss, you can stay calm and sleep well. I highly recommend you guys saving up to this level if you want to start seriously. One more important thing. Many ask why I'm giving this robot for free. Is there any hidden charge? Actually, I'm currently stress testing my server, that's why it's very free. However, this offer will not last long. I plan to close this free access on December 31, 2035. After that date, anyone who wants Capnova might have to pay a monthly subscription or buy a license, and it won't be cheap. So you only have a few weeks left to log in your free access. First come, first serve. How do you get the robot before I close the offer? Easy. Click the Telegram link in the description or pin comment, join the group, download the file and install it. Remember, after December 31 first, the door is closed. Don't regret it later, okay? See you in the group. Peace.